welcome to another vlog. I am with Anton right now, and we're gonna be going to Filmora because we're gonna buy some things, and yeah, I'll just vlog there. We got sushi nori, we got the California maki, and also the sweet dreams. We're currently in Aura because Anton bought his mouse, and we're also buying something for his parents. Hopefully we find it here. But anyway, we're eating muna. Anton just ordered something, so I'm waiting for him. And we bought sushi nori, which is actually really good. Dati ko pa siya nakikita dito, pero hindi ko siya tinatry. Ngayon ko lang siya na-try. So, we got pepper lunch. Mag-share na lang kami ni Anton because I think this is enough already for us. And I don't know what he got. Siya yung nag-order. Masyadong na-vlog kanina because you were just buying things and ang dami namin dala ni Anton. We mostly bought food. Anton got quickly. We're just sharing because busog na kami. And this is yung taro. It's been super taro. It's been so long since I had quickly. It's so good. Ang init. Gosh, the sun. I don't know if this is okay. Feeling ko mahuhulog yung camera ko. But we bought some things from Watson's. Pinabili lang to ng mom ko sa Watson's. And we got the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Argan Oil and Keratin Shampoo. This was buy one take one. So dalawa to. Two of these. 404 for two already. Ito yung 620 ml. And bumili din kami ng conditioner. This one. And this is the Tresemme Detox and Nourish Ginger and Green Tea Conditioner. So buy one take one din to. 404, 620 ml. And we went back kasi meron ako extra money from my mom to buy more shampoo. So nag-sold out agad yung 620 ml. So buti na lang meron sila nung 900 ml. 900 ml ba to? Yeah. Buy one take one din to. Like nakaset na siyang isang free. And this is different. Ito yung Salon Quality Keratin Protein Complex. Tapos 900 ml to. 500 pesos ata. 499 for two already. 499 usually yung isa lang. Pero yun nga. Buy one take one to. May clearance sale kasi yung Watson's this weekend. That's why That's why puro buy one take one. Yun lang yung binili namin. Alcohol. I've been touching so much things. Oh my gosh. Yung reason kung bakit pumunta kaming Aura kasi we bought Anton's mouse. No!
Air fryer.
Yeah, we were supposed to buy something for his parents. He was gonna buy. Sinamahan ko lang siya. Puro out of stock yung air fryer na gustong bilhin ni Anton. Like, we went to so much places na tapos konti lang yung available na papagpilian. Kaya, online na lang bibili. But, I'm gonna show you what Anton bought. Well, ito, I bought this. I bought Auntie Anne's, my favorite. And, he bought his mouse. Gastos na to. Joke lang. It's not my money, so we can't complain. He got his white mouse because white yung PC niya. White yung theme ng PC mo. Food. Oh, right! I forgot. We got yung Reese's na Krispy Kreme. And then, bumili lang ako ng burgers for my siblings. Pumunta rin kaming market a while ago, and kasi nga nagtingin kami ng air fryer doon. Wala rin. But I saw like a stall. They were selling mozzarella bites, and I'm gonna try this one.
You didn't get the sauce.
I didn't need a sauce. I'm such a foodie. Ang sarap, pero parang masyadong thick yung breading niya for me.
Because it's a bite.
Yeah. Mas masarap ata if I got the mozzarella sticks. But then, sabi ko kasi mas share ko to sa siblings ko if I bought like the bites. Ito yung binili namin, and I already gave some to my siblings. It comes with ketchup and mayo. And paubos na yung quickly. Wait, I wanna try the ano pala. The Krispy Kreme. I feel like this turned into a food vlog, babe. Favorite kasi ni Anton yung Reese's, so.
Squash.
Yeah. Oh well. Go, taste mo muna.
It's like that cake you made for me.
Really? It just tastes like peanut butter. It doesn't remind me of Reese's.
Yeah.
But it's good. Feeling ko food vlogger talaga. I also bought Auntie Anne's. Ito yung choco cream cheese sticks from Auntie Anne's. Ayan. This is my favorite thing to order. Tako ko talaga. So good. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. It is currently 11 a.m. and I'm just about to study biochem. I'm so scared for biochem because it's my least favorite subject. But yeah, I'm about to study pa lang. I'm on the first topic. I literally just read like a paragraph and I don't even know. I'm so scared for this. Feeling ko ang dami kong hindi pa na-aral from before. Because usually biochem is the class we don't have quizzes in. So, hindi ko sila na-aaral in advance. So, yung iba dito, first read ko pa lang, which is so bad. So, I don't know how finals will be. But I'm gonna show you what I'm studying right now. Our batch actually made a batch reviewer. And this is 26 pages. And this is from LE6 lang. So, I have to read, hopefully, if I have time, LE126. Kasi nga, from topics from August pa yung kasali until topics from May. So, ayan, ang dami. Sana talaga matapos ko to in time for the finals, which is on Wednesday. So, yeah, we have 2 exams on Wednesday. One is for EPI, and then the other one is for biochem. And then, last exam namin on Friday, which is for anatomy lab. Yeah, lab. So, practical siya. My parents got us donuts again, and of course I had to get the blueberry cream cheese. I already bit it, but I really need to study, so I'm eating in my room. I want to show you my nails. It looks beige, I guess. Tapos, sorry, super chip na siya. Pero I had this for a week now. I forgot it was UV changing. So, kapag nalagay mo under the sun, it's gonna turn purple. So, I'm gonna show it to you right now. It's super sunny. So, again, ito yung nails ko. Pero, I don't think makikita niyo siya under the sun. Let's just try. Oh, there. See? Nagiging purple siya. And the longer you leave it on under the sun, it turns darker. So, ayan. It's so cool. Kailangan ko lang ayusin yung pagka-apply ko. Ayusin ko yan after my finals. And then, nung inalis ko sa sun, ayan, naging skin tone color na ulit yung nail polish. And then my sister tried the other color. Ano to? Clear lang yung sa kanya eh. Tapos lagay mo under the sun. Ooh, medyo pinkish red yung sa kanya. Actually, oh my gosh, nagiging red na red. Ang cool. I applied this last week, pero never ko siya tinest. Actually, I tried testing it once. Like under not so bright light, unlike yung dun sa balcony ng other room. But it didn't work, so I think kailangan super bright light to see the effect. So, yun lang. I'm so amazed. I thought I didn't like this because akala ko talaga hindi siya nag-work, pero nag-work pala siya. And I'm gonna show you the colors I have. I have 3 colors and I think I'm only gonna keep one, tapos bibigay ko yung other 2 sa sisters ko, or baka we're just gonna let each other borrow na lang. So, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. I only have 2 right now because I think yung isa nga ginamit ng sister ko. So, nasa kanya yon. Pero I put mine in the box again. But it looks like this one, it's called the UV Changed Nail Sunshine Nail Color from Skinaz. And ito yung ginamit ko, yung beige to purple. Tapos meron ding white to pink. And it looks like this. Ayan yung colors. So, for the nail polishes, I'm looking at it now and its original price is 380 pesos. Tapos, if you buy it in my shop, which I'll link down below, it's only 330 pesos. I know it's kinda expensive for nail polish, but then it does change color and it's a Korean brand. So, I guess it's justifiable. I'm not sure. Pero I feel like it's really worth it. I need to test out the formula more kasi pangit talaga yung application ko, and you can actually put a base coat over it so it can last longer. Tapos, mag-change pa rin yung color. So, I'm gonna test that out and I'll do that after my finals because nga ang dami kong ginagawa ngayon. Ito yung shop ko. So, you can get these here. I'll link it down below. Makikita nyo rin naman tong photos na to doon. Pero ayan, they have a lot of different colors. And I'm using a number 11. So it's beige to purple. And then yung sa sister ko yung clear to red. And then ito yung tatry ni Leah, yung white to pink. But I really wanna try the 9 kasi it's sky blue to purple. Ito rin ang ganda. Yung silver to purple. Pero ang dami talaga na ng colors. So, if you're not a fan of the light colors like we have, meron ka pa ring options. Ito rin maganda eh, yung navy to olive. Super random recommendation. Nagulat lang kasi ako kasi tinest out ng sister ko. Tapos, ngayon ko lang rin naalala na nag-change ka pala yung color nito. So, yeah, I'm gonna go back to studying now. I've been delaying. Sobrang wala talaga akong gana this week. I just feel like I'm on vacation mode already, but I still have 3 exams to go. I feel like I didn't study that much today, so I'm trying to discipline myself. I already had coffee tonight, just so I can study as much as I can tonight para masulit ko nga yung time ko. And I'm timing my breaks. I just finished one topic of biochem. As you can see, I'm on to the 6th one after this break, and I'm timing myself 15 minutes per break because medyo matagal ako sa isang topic. Sometimes mabilis lang, pero sometimes matagal. So 15 minutes na lang para din hindi bitin kapag 5 minutes lang, and hindi siya too much if I make it 30 minutes, you know? It's in the middle.
You like it?